Hi, my name is George Ndurango, presenter and producer at CNBC Africa, or at George Ndurango on Twitter. You're watching a 1K show, the #1 edutainment show in the country and easily in the region, so stay locked.
Mwiriho bakuzi ba 1K show muri kumwe nanjye Teta Olga, nzamfite ibintu byinshi murabizi mbazaniye. Nkuko mubizi muri 1K tuba dufite ibintu byinshi bitandukanye. By'umwihariko uyu munsi turaba dufite 1K focus, turaba dufite umurage corner. Uyu munsi rero turi buganire muri 1K focus ku byerekeranye n'umuziki. Turaza kuganira se ni iyihe mpamvu y'umuziki. Umuziki kubera iki abantu bahitamo gukora umuziki n'icyungura mu buzima bw'abantu. Turaba dufite abantu bagiye batandukanye babatumirwa, ikindi kandi abo batumirwa baraza kubagenera ubutumwa cyane cyane urubyiruko muri aho ngaho mutegereje amatsiko ikiganiro cyacu. Mukomeze kudukurikirana kuri social media zacu, kuri Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, kandi munibuke ko dufite YouTube channel tubacishirizaho buri munsi ibiganiro byacu. Ikiganiro nta kindi ni 1K show.
Murao, nitwa Weya Viatora, amazina yanjye yose ni Weya Marie Viatora, nkafite imyaka 22, nkaba ndi umuhanzikazi w'umunyarwandakazi. Kuri njyewe umuziki ni byose, umuziki niyo mbabaye, umuziki niyo nishimye, umuziki niyo nshaka kuvuga urukundo mfitiye umuntu, umuziki niyo nshaka kuvuga icyambabaje, umuziki niyo nshaka kwereka abantu ibyiza by'u Rwanda. Umuziki ni byose. Umuziki uramfasha cyane ko utuma ntanga ubutumwa ku bantu benshi, ko indirimbo umuntu akora zigera ku bantu benshi. Umuziki utuma muri njyewe ibyo nifitemo ntabigumana ku bwanjye, ahubwo mbisohora, kandi ndetse nyuma yo kubisohora bikaba byanafasha undi muntu, kuko usanga hari igihe tuba dufite ibintu byinshi duhuriyeho tutabizi. Rero umuziki ntago mukora ku bwanjye gusa, ahubwo mukora kugira ngo unagire abantu ufasha, haba abababaye byo kugira ngo nkore indirimbo yabaha icyizere, haba ari indirimbo zo kwibuka, indirimbo z'urukundo, byose bigafatanya.
Umuziki uvuze ibintu bikomeye, umuziki uvuze kuganiriza abantu muri rusange directement. Bisobanura ko umunyamuzika atanga message ku bantu benshi icyarimwe.
Uko mbona umuziki nyarwanda, mbona umuziki nyarwanda umaze gutera imbere cyane, bitari ku rugero rwo hejuru cyane nkaho tubushaka, ariko aho wavuye naho ugeze naho turayishimira.
Music is the best way that I've found of expressing myself.
Music ni ikintu kimwe ubuzima. Banuva muri nje nta kibinyorohe, nkuko buri muntu wese afite ikimworoheye. Music ni ikintu kindi.
Bivuze neza akagabo gahimba kataraza, akugaye kuva kera, uwo mugayo warampumyaga. Usukenye uraberwa, suje unsanga ndanyurwa, ibyarukuri mbyita amabwire, maze nkungira umwere. Barangaruye bati mwibagirwe shenge, azagushavuza iteka, ndanga ndatwarwa, azagushavuza iteka, ndanga ndatwarwa. Intimba yuzuye umutima, intimba intimba yuzuye umutima.
kanjogera injongi oya mama we uwaruka kumwega ndagukunda n'impamo ko nagukunze kera oya mama we tukiri bato twembi ndagukunda n'impamo tukiri bato twembi oya mama we tukiragira n'utunyana ndagukunda n'impamo tukiragira n'utunyana oya mama we tugitubanga n'utwondo ndagukunda n'impamo.
Oh witinya, hoye witinya, shira umutima mu nda kuko nanjye izo mpanuro nizo zangiza undi we. Oh mura.
Your look is just like the sunset. Girl, it's so stuck on my mind. Your looks got me elevated. Now I believe I can fly. I see you coming to me, then I see little lilies surrounding all that you please. There's always a table for two, with plenty mizuzu. One time maybe we get loose, yeah. I know you tied in your shoes, and know you're tied in your dues. There's a kick going for you. Come through, come through, come through, come through, do. This camouflage is all on me. That green baby is all on me. It's okay, you can fall on me. See, when you want to, you can call on me. And this camouflage is all on me. That green baby is all on me. 'Cause it's okay, you can fall on me. See, when you want to, you can call on me. Thanks.
Kinyarwanda mbona ari mwiza, mbona ufite creativity muri wo, donc ufite umwimerere kuko n'umuco wacu ufite umwimerere, ariko nyine mbona ugifite intambwe nini ugomba gutera kugira ngo ugeze ku rwego mpuzamahanga. Ako muri rusange ndawukunda cyane uko uzanamo umuco cyane muri wo.
Ukuntu mbona umuziki w'Abanyarwanda wacu, umuziki nyarwanda umaze gutera imbere cyane nkurikije uko abambanjirije uko bawukoze ukimeze, ubu ngubu umaze kugera ku yindi ntera nziza kandi ishimishije. Ikindi n'Abanyarwanda batangiye kuwakira neza.
Nkanjye ku giti cyanjye umuziki umaze kunyeza kuri byinshi, umuziki watumye mpura n'abantu benshi batandukanye kandi bazakomeza kumfasha mu buzima bwanjye. Umuziki urantunze kuko nta kandi kazi nkora katari umuziki, kandi umuziki usigaye umfasha guhuza n'abantu benshi.
Natangiye umuziki muri 2009, niko ku nshuro ya mbere nibwo nagiye muri bande. Tutangira umuziki, utangira kwiga kuririmba, kwiga kwandika, kwiga gucuranga. n'ibindi n'ibindi byagiye biza.
Muri kariyeri yanjye mu myaka 5 nibona natangije ikigo cy'umuziki mu Rwanda, atari gusa kwigisha ariko ari nk'ahantu n'abandi bahanzi bazijya baza bagakorera umuziki wabo. Nibona ngeze ku rwego mpuzamahanga, nshobora kujya gukora ibitaramo mu bihugu byinshi bigiye bitandukanye. Yego.
Mu myaka 5 iri imbere nibona nk'umuntu kuko icyo gihe nasubiza intego yanjye nanjye ku giti cyanjye. Intego yanjye ni kuko abo ndirimbira ni society, so icyambere ndebaho ni ukuba nafata societe nkayigira ahantu nyikura nkayigeza ahangaha nk'umuhanzi ntanze umusanzu wanjye mu bitekerezo se muri ibyo bihangano. Ikindi nibonamo ni style yanjye of course, nk'uko umuziki wanjye ari business, nk'uko ari umushinga, nkubona ukura, nkubona afite style yanjye yihariye, nkubona mfata umuziki nyarwanda nkaba nagira ahandi hantu ushobora kuba nshyize itafari ku bandi twese uko dukorana, hari aho twava naho twagera.
The windows are never open, the wind ain't moving its curtains. Oh. The stairs are getting taller, my steps becoming smaller. Oh. I lift my voice up high, it comes and kick me back. Someone there calling, who's in the dark, come get me out of this dark if you care. This empty house ain't going bright, empty house shouldn't my hide. Empty house is all I got and all I have and it is fight. Fight with nothing else but fear. How is it like just out here can go all the doors alone? Hey, hey, hey.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
Kuki abahanzi mukunda kuririmba urukundo? Iyi ndirimbo kubitanye nayo kuri radio ni urukundo. Iyo wumvise ni urukundo, urukundo ariko mvuga ntabwo ari agape, ndavuga urukundo hagati y'umukobwa n'umuhungu, kubera icyo kintu bibangaho cyane kuririmba.
Sinzi ko nabivuga.
Inspiration iva cyane kuko bigenda gute?
Navuga ko ari iyo umuntu ari mu rukundo, umuziki ugomba kuba ari, umuziki ni ikintu cy'ingenzi kibashyira hamwe. Iyo muri mwenyine music ni ikintu, so I don't know, music ni ikintu cy'ingenzi, music ni ubuzima. Ntabwo nubwo wajya mu rukundo udafite music, you know. Sinzi ko mwagera kure.
I don't think so.
Ntabwo mwagera kure mufite music, mbona ari byo mugena. So sinzi, navuga ko ni ibyo bintu byoroshye. Love, urukundo ni ikintu,
ahubwo ako kantu nibyo bintu byoroshye.
Nibyo byo okay, biroroshye ariko ni nacyo kintu duhura nacyo cyane. Urumva ushobora kubita n'umukobwa ukavuga wow, that's like, you know, just, you know, visualize or something. Yeah.
He said, follow me, I'll show you the way to your destiny. I can see you're about to ruin me, still I let you in, come and sip some tea with me. I'll fall into you, leave me blue just so you could stay in my memories. Don't you forget about me. So yeah.
ikintu wakwigisha urubyiruko muri aka kanya ni iki?
Wow. Icyo navuga ni ukudahangayika mu gukomeza urugendo rw'indoto zanyu, kuko njyewe natangiye muri church, ndacyakomeza nta naho ndagera mu byo nkora. Kuba ndi hano ni ibintu nishimira cyane, ariko njye mbona yuko gukomeza kurota, gukomeza gutekereza ibyo mushaka gukora, ari umupira, ari music, ari ibyo byose. Ariko natanga message cyane ku bahanzi, ku bashaka gukora umwuga wo gukora music, kuko barahari, bari mu rugo baricaye, bafite ababyeyi babashyira hasi, bababwira ngo ibi ntabwo ari byo. Ntabwo nanjye ababyeyi banjye nabo bari bafite ako kana ku ngubu. Ndashimira Imana cyane kuba bampaye opportunity yo kubikora. Baba barambwiye yo just go do your thing, ibizavamo tuzatubibona. Njye abo bari kubira bazabibona, nababwira kudahagarara ku ndoto za gukomeza, kuko ibiri kuza industry murayibona ahantu yavuye, tuva kuri ba Rafiki, ba Miss Jojo, none dufite Buravan, dufite Active, dufite it's beautiful, dufite na Angel Mutoni. Ari ibintu biri kuza biri special, kandi ntago twakwicara mu rugo ngo dutegereze ahantu kubidukora, tuzabikora.
Inama nagira abahanzi si nyinshi, no gukomeza tukatera imbere, no gukomeza tugafashanya cyane ahasigaye tukibanda cyane ku bintu by'iwacu, kubera ko iyo uri umunyarwanda nusohoka uzatwara iby'i Rwanda, ntago uzatwara iby'ahandi. So tugomba kudevelopa ikintu cy'iwacu. Ahasigaye icyo nabwira abanyarwanda muri rusange ni uko ndabishimiye kandi nishimiye intambwe batera mu gushyigikira umuziki wacu. Ni ukuri tutabafite, kuba dufitanye tubafite namwe mudufite, hari byinshi dushobora kuba twakora igihugu cyacu kigatera imbere. Yes.
Message natanga ni uko umuziki ari mwiza, bakwiye kuwumva kandi bakwiye gushyigikira abahanzi nyarwanda muri rusange, bakabashyigikira, bakabakunda, bakabakurikirana umunsi ku wundi, kugira ngo nabo babashe kubagezaho ibintu byiza, babashe kubagezaho ibyo nabo bifuza, badushyigikira natwe tubashe kugera kure aho twifuza kugera, hanyuma tugakomeza tugatera imbere mu munezero.
Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. Peace and blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge were your wealth, then it would be well earned. If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, on and on and on. Oh, on and on and on and on. I go on and on and on and on. I go on and on and on and on. Yeah.
Hello beautiful people, muracyari kumwe n'umuhungu wanyu Darius. Murage Corner uyu munsi rero tukaba tubazaniye Foolish Boy aka Foolish Commander. Kuba tazi uyu musore yoherereye mu gihugu cya Sweden, ibi ni bimwe mu byo akora.
Today, I'm in Mall of Scandinavia in Stockholm asking people funny questions and want them to answer them for me. So let's do this. Okay, we're rolling. So I'm standing here with father and son. What is your name?
Michael.
And your name?
Christus.
What is your name?
Gustav.
What is your name?
Hugo.
And your name?
Rebecca.
So the first question is, when you have kids and they disobey you, are you giving them backhand slap or are you giving them forehead?
The forehead.
Chai! He's giving them forehead, okay. And you?
Backhand slap.
So it's a combination, okay. So I have a question. You have a son right here. When he disobey you, do you give him a backhand or do you give him a forehead?
Forehead.
You give him forehead?
Yes.
If you have kids and they disobey you, are you giving them a backhand slap Why are you giving them a forehead?
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Neither.
Neither.
No.
He's a good man. People are just handing slaps to their kids.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Okay, so what is your name?
Correct.
I have a cousin that has a very difficult name to pronounce. I want you to pronounce it for me, huh? Okay, so repeat after me. His name is Ovo Osas.
Jesus is Lord.
These are the best of the day, huh?
Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop lying.
Wawa, tuwawa, osas.
Aha, very nice. And you? Nice. His name is Ovo Osas. Should I repeat?
Yeah.
Ovo Osas.
My choice. But I have to my choice.
If you have kids and they disobey you, are you giving them a backhand slap? Or are you giving them forehead?
I would rather not give them anything of that.
This is very nice. This is very nice.
I don't want to choose between that, honestly.
Okay.
Okay. Jag gett ju sass.
He did it very quick and nice. Try.
Like that.
Yeah, wow, wait, he can speak it better than me. Shit.
My nigga.
Aha, very nice. Thank you. People, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it as much as I like doing this. This was a funny experiment. And Foolish Boy will be back again with another video soon. So go and like, go and subscribe, and go and tell your cousin about me. Chai!
Nk'uko mubyiboneye rero, he is a very talented comedian and commander.
It's Foolish Boy from Rwanda, aka Mr. Foolish Commander, huh?
Mr. Foolish Boy aka Foolish Commander twagiranye ikiganiro atubwira bimwe mu biranga ubuzima bwe, ibyo akunda mu Rwanda n'ibindi.
It's Foolish Boy from Rwanda, aka Mr. Foolish Commander. That one. My name is Loic Nganji. I'm 20 years old, turning 21 this year. Born and raised here in Sweden, but originally from Rwanda, as you already know. Currently, I'm studying economics. I'm just making small videos, little here and there, as you know. I've been doing everything. I used to play basketball when I was younger, not that much though. Don't ever think that I'm good at basketball just because I'm tall. I'm terrible. Otherwise, I'm just like to chill with friends, you know, normal stuff, and of course make videos. That's a hobby as well. I don't really know right now. All I know is that I'm a very creative person and I want to work in an environment where I can use that creativity to do something positive. I'm trying to tell you that I'm foolish. I just have a bunch of dumb stuff going on in my head you can't see. Eh? No, but for the people who know what Ingando is, it's like a boot camp or whatever. And we learn about culture, Rwandese culture and everything. And I did that summer 2015. So I'm a very goofy person. So I'll be saying dumb stuff all the time, just making people laugh. And there was this one friend of mine called Jessica. And she would consistently like tell me, you're foolish. All the stuff you say is just foolishness, whatever, la 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 la. And then one time she just called me Foolish Boy, and that just stuck. And then after, when I decided to start all of this, like the videos and whatever, that's when I was like, yo, what should my name be? And it made sense to call myself Foolish Boy. I mean, like my mom is a very entertaining person, my dad is a very entertaining person, the whole family. So I guess that's something that just runs in the family to entertain people, but also it's nice to see that I can have an effect on other people just by basically being myself, a positive effect. So I think that's why I like entertaining people. I'll tell you this, I know how to say milk, amata. I know how to say I'll beat you, I'm gonna beat you up or something like that, daguku with that. And yeah, that's basically it.
Mr. Easy J. Alright, I just wanna say thank you to anybody who they believe in or they supporting the movement. Way back from the ghetto days down to the mainstream, you for analyze, you see the improvement platform. I've been through a lot, y'all, so hard. Came from the back door, I be too much. I zone 2 plus hardcore. Now the beat in the corner, get on the dance floor. What up? To come my home up in DC, young Panduri. I know you didn't believe me. Banta makejeti akabashila body. I don't do is the invite to my party.
I mean, Rwanda is home. It's as simple as that. I have my family there. The country is beautiful, and I mean, eventually I'm gonna move there. So Rwanda is home. That's why I love Rwanda. I mean, I'm gonna have to go with first of all brochettes, because we don't have that over here. Excuse my language. We don't have that over here. That makes me mad. And then also Fanta Citron. See, we have like a bootleg version of it, and it just doesn't taste the same. So I mean, I'm gonna have to go with that. That's what I miss the most about Rwanda, honestly, and of course the family, you know. I mean, of course, I would like to take it somewhere further than it is today. Only problem is that it's hard to find time to do that. Find time to study, find time to hang out with friends, and you know, all those stuff. So I just need to find a balance first of all. But for now, it's just a hobby, and we'll just see where it goes. I mean, it might just blow up and become a big thing, and I might have to put in more work and put in more focus on that, and you know, prioritize that and studying. But for now, it's just a hobby, and also I have new stuff coming out soon. Foolish, for the people that have seen my Instagram account, Mr. Foolish Commander, he's dropping just quick bars on you. You're not ready, man.
That's all we had for you today, UMURAGE CORNER. Keep following us on Instagram at 1K Studio. Our Twitter handle is 1K Studio, and on our Facebook page at 1K Studios. UMURAGE CORNER muri 1K Show nakagaruka muri kumwe n'umuhungu wanyu Darius First.
Mwakoze kubana natwe mu kiganiro 1K Show. Nongeye kubashimira, nongeye gushimira producer na director wacu ariwe David Mutabazi. Nongeye gushimira buri muntu wese watanze contribution muri kino kiganiro. By'umwihariko kandi ndashimira buri muntu wese wakira ubutumire bwacu akabasha kuza. Ndashimira mwese mufata umwanya wacu mwanyu mugakurikira ikiganiro cyacu 1K Show. Mwari kumwe nanjye Teta Olga. Ikiganiro nta kindi ni 1K Show. Mukomeze kandi gukurikirana ikiganiro cyacu kuri YouTube channel yacu, mukomeze gukurikirana kuri social media zacu, ari Instagram, ari Facebook, ari Twitter. Ikiganiro nta kindi ni 1K Show.
Ah, ce petit là, c'est qui moi? Oui, mais c'est qui petit?
Nakoze kubana natwe.
I don't have energy. This is me. Accept it. No behind the scenes. You hear me? I will break this camera. Okay.
Hangire. Ndagukubita David. Ndakwigize ruzayishyira, ndakwigize bereba, please.
S'il vous plaît, let me see some of this footage, so I can approve or disapprove. All right, boss. I like that. I really like that. Are you guys good? What? Are we still filming?